Imagine you are stuck in a traffic jam, and instead of a real human, a robot that looks exactly like a person is giving you signals. Or imagine a battlefield where robots are fighting side by side with humans. It may sound like a science fiction movie, but China has already made it a reality. Today, we will take you into a future world where robots are handling everything from traffic control to city security. The traffic police of the future is no longer human. On the roads of China, the world's first humanoid traffic police robot is now on duty. Its name is OR001. This is not just a simple machine, but a next-generation AI-powered assistant. It has been specially designed to work in crowded and traffic-heavy city roads. You will be surprised to know that this robot can move its hands just like a real traffic police officer. It can signal vehicles to stop, give directions on the road, and even warn drivers by understanding traffic situations. Its joints are designed in such a way that its movements are very smooth, with no jerks or randomness. At busy intersections where humans can make mistakes, this robot uses sensors and HD cameras to monitor cyclists, pedestrians, and vehicles in real time and works very accurately. Along with handling traffic, China has also introduced a combat humanoid robot called T-800. Its strange and powerful appearance reminds many people of the Terminator from movies. With a height of about 1.73 meters and a weight of 75 kilograms, this robot looks scary and is equally strong in work. It is equipped with a 360-degree camera and a LiDAR scanner, which helps it understand its surroundings. It can walk confidently through crowded sidewalks and can change direction instantly when needed. The most amazing part is its movement dynamics. In videos, it has been seen performing martial arts moves like kicking, blocking, and even different combat techniques. So it is clear that in the future, along with police officers, these robots will be in the front line to catch criminals. Another humanoid robot is serving in Xinjiang province, named Xinjiang No. 1. It has been developed through a joint effort between the local traffic department and technology experts. The special thing about this robot is that its working style or algorithm is created by recording real police officers' movements. As a result, drivers and pedestrians can easily understand its signals. It has a computer vision system that can detect traffic rule violations. If someone breaks the law, it can directly give a warning through its audio system. This is a revolutionary step towards building a smart city. Do robots always need to have 2 hands and 2 legs like humans? Not at all. China has invented a spherical police robot. It looks like a big football. Inside it, there are cameras, sensors, and computing hardware. This ball-shaped robot can roll very fast in crowded places like shopping malls, parks, or metro stations. Its AI can analyze human behavior and detect possible threats or unusual situations. Even more surprising, it can chase a fleeing criminal very quickly and, if needed, use irritant spray or special tools to stop the suspect. You might be thinking, will these robots take away human jobs? No, that is not China's goal. The robot named Unitree Go 1 has been created as an assistant for police officers. It will do tasks that are dangerous or very difficult for humans. It is a compact and very agile robot that can easily maintain balance on uneven or rough roads. It is perfect for monitoring tourist areas or busy commercial zones. Its stabilization system is so advanced that even if someone pushes it in a crowd, it does not fall. We are used to seeing dogs in police canine units, but now China is using robotic dogs. In Hefei City, under the Robotic Canine Project, these 4-legged robots are being used for patrol and special operations. These robot dogs can climb stairs, cross obstacles, and move very fast. They are equipped with a 360-degree vision system through which they can send live video directly to the command center. During training, it has even been seen that these robots can throw nets to capture criminals. Finally, let's talk about Engine AI's humanoid police. These robots look black and gray and wear a bright green vest. Now they are walking alongside police officers on the streets of major cities in China. Their ability to maintain balance and blend into crowds makes them different from other robots. They track human movement in real time and send data to the data center, making city security stronger. Seeing the use of such advanced technology in China, it is clear that the world is changing very fast. Maybe very soon we will see similar robot police on the streets near us. What do you think about this progress of science? Will we feel safer if robots provide security instead of humans? You can share your valuable opinion in the comments. So, that's all for today. We will come back again with another interesting technology story.